What's up, YouTube?
Back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you.
It's a beautiful day out here in Switzerland, and it is our last day at this amazing hotel. And Jackson and I have just been chilling out shooting this morning, and man, we screened so many shots. The sky decided to clear up, which is awesome. But yeah, today we are currently just editing, chilling out. We're uploading a few videos to YouTube, getting these vlogs up on YouTube, and yeah, we're just good vibes all around, feeling really good today, and yeah. Man, this trip is just awesome. I thought I would talk for a second just because yesterday's vlog was a tad bit short. We had a ton of time yesterday and we just spent it editing and really pushing the quality in these vlogs. But you know, I've been vlogging now for about, what is it, 15, 16 days, and or something like that. I have absolutely no idea, I lost count. But I haven't even acknowledged that I am daily vlogging, or even really what I'm doing, so and how I'm able to keep up with these crazy uploads while we're on the road. Basically, I'm just really trying to push and be as creative as I can every single day, which already is just been phenomenal. It's just like always keeping in my mind there's been so much growth, which is really exciting. But how I'm kind of handling all of the vlogs together is there's a little bit of a gap between when I actually film them and when they actually come out, so that way I'm able to spend the time and, like, say I can't edit one day, well the next day I can edit 2 quality vlogs instead of pushing 2 non-quality vlogs. So it's kind of bridging the gap. I hope you guys are enjoying them. I'm really liking them, and we'll see where this goes. On a second-hand note, our neighbors are currently in front of me, staring at me. What's up? Brought the Phantom 4 down. I'm gonna grab some shots. Jackson's currently up there. What's good, bro? Yeah. You made it in the vlog. What's up? Oh, what's up, dude? So we're gonna grab the shots now. We're shooting a little bit of stuff for the hotel, and it's super sunny. They want some epic drone shots, so I think it's gonna be crazy epic. We're leaving the hotel now. Where are we headed to? Lucerne! Lucerne. Alright. Jackson and I just pulled over on the side of the road. Woo! What did we find?
Dude, we found a bridge, but it's like the longest suspension. I don't know if this is a suspension bridge or not. It's just crazy looking.
So I think we're gonna go try to.
And we can't read German, so we're just gonna. It might be for some. There's no, like, nobody there asking for payments, but we can't read any German because there's a sign. But I'm like, I think it just means
that we should shoot it.
That we should shoot it and, like, just be careful, I guess.
Guys, look at this bridge.
Let's do it.
All right. Guys, this bridge is super wobbly. Oh my gosh. Jackson, this looks so sketchy.
Well, you know.
So this is barbed wire right here.
Yeah.
You can tell.
It's not like as bad as this Swiss make it out to be. Like, I'm clearly safe here.
Uh-huh.
It's just, you know, just gotta be careful. It's all about the footwork.
I still believe the silence is old. I need something new. So tell me to stay. I'm begging you, please. Don't push me away. Don't want you to leave. Look in my eyes and tell me the truth. 'Cause I just need to ask you.
like that sequence.
that was really fun to make.
It was really fun to make. I bet the French or whoever, it was just like, what is happening?
People were like staring, they're like, what is he doing?
This lady in there, who, when I paid her, she's like, she gave me a really weird look. She's like, you guys, okay.
Yeah.
Like, all right, that's it. Thank you, here's the money.
Jackson and I made it to Lucerne. Just chilling, walking, about to cross this epic bridge. We were gonna go shoot sunset, but it's pretty moody and cloudy outside, so we kind of scratched that idea, and we're heading across the bridge now to a Starbucks, and we're gonna get some work done. There's a lot of people in this bridge. Wow. Right? It's pretty good. We got Wi-Fi. We got a couple things done.
Wi-Fi got a little, yeah.
But yeah, the car is back across the river right now, so we're gonna head over there and try to figure out where we're gonna sleep tonight. Alright guys, so we're out here. We found a place to park the car. This is where we're gonna be sleeping tonight. We're pretty exhausted. We haven't got a ton of sleep the last few nights, but it's still been good. And today we just got a ton of work in. We left the hotel, kind of crazy going from the super high to super low and sleeping in the car, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do to keep the funds available on this trip, because that's just kind of how it works, you know. We're just out here doing this thing, doing whatever it takes. Clouds and dirt, baby. And man, I'm just really excited. I'm super stoked on all the content we got. And man, I'm just super grateful to be out here and be doing what I love. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Good night, guys.